everyone. So I'm Rajan Iyer. I'm currently working with TCS as a data center solution architect. Primarily, I'm not from the cybersecurity background, but still, since last year, I have started my cybersecurity career with CISSP, and I have also explored public cloud security. The unique key takeaways from this training is more or less it is a vendor neutral, and there is no any tools involved. It is a more conceptual. And at the ground layer, one should understand that how you should handle the cybersecurity. And the key aspects which I like this training, although we have the constraint due to the COVID, but some of the exercise and discussion on the case studies were very much interactive, which help us to understand how we have to handle the cybersecurity in the incident in the real terms. So I would like to prefer everyone should go, whether they are exploring in the different area, but cybersecurity incident response and plan will be the unique skill set one should adhere. Thank you.